What is up, guys? So we're back here. You know your boy Giovanni, and today I'm gonna show you how to make one of these airplanes, and it flies straight through there. So let's get started. So first up, you're gonna grab normal paper, fold it, and then you're gonna do the halves. I do these halves fairly fast, like that. Then you're gonna go. Okay, right there. You're gonna fold it like always. You need to fold things. Mine flies better because I just fold it, so it's gonna go like that. Then you fold it. It needs to be directly. It needs to be like this. Then now what you're gonna do is grab. Okay. So what you're gonna do is make a half. No, you're just gonna fold it. Oh, forgot. So, okay, and then remember, so you're just gonna fold the paper like that, and then you're gonna grab your other paper and then fold it. One is bigger, one is small. Okay, so it's gonna go like this, and then you throw it, and it flies really good. I don't know what's wrong with this one. This doesn't fly that good. So, okay, it does. Now this one, I think because the air makes it fly. Oh yeah, because the air. And that's how you make airplanes. So I'm gonna add more paper. I'm gonna do another one. Who cut this at all? I don't know. Just gonna fold it like what we need to fold it.